Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet star stitch pattern which you can use in different crochet products. I am using a thin cotton yarn and a 5mm steel crochet hook. It's also a smaller size crochet hook because it's a steel crochet hook. So wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a slip knot with the help of crochet hook and make your base chain according to the desired size you want. It should be of odd numbers. So complete your base chain. So including this chain 1, I have completed 31 base chain. Go into the second chain from the hook, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make a single crochet stitch. Go into the next chain, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops to make single crochet 2. Into the next, make single crochet 3. Into the next, make single crochet 4 and complete total of 30 single crochet stitches. I am making this row to look my work more neat and fine, so that's why I am making this single crochet row, but it's optional. And then make a half double crochet stitch in the start of second row and then go into this first vertical loop and pull the yarn. Then go into this second vertical loop of our half double crochet stitch and pull the yarn. Then go into the very same first single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. And then go into the next second single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. And then go into the third single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. So pull the yarn 5 times. We are having 6 loops. Pull through all 6 loops to make a star stitch and then make chain 1 to finish it off. And now for the second star stitch, first of all go into this very first chain and pull the yarn. Then go into this very first side or vertical loop and pull the yarn. Then go into the same third single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. Then go into the fourth single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. And then go into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. Now pull through all 6 loops to make a star stitch 2 and then make chain 1. Then go into the very first chain 1 and pull the yarn. Then go into this vertical loop and pull the yarn. Then into the same single crochet stitch, pull the yarn. Then into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. Then go into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. After having 6 loops, pull the yarn through all 6 loops and then make chain 1. I will show you one more time. Go into the chain 1 and pull the yarn. Go into this side loop and pull the yarn. Go into the very same single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. After completing your whole row of star stitch, make chain 1 and turn your work and into the very first chain here make a half double crochet stitch. Then go into the next at the top of our star stitch, make half double crochet 2. Now into the next chain 1, make half double crochet stitch 3. Into the next top of the star stitch, make half double crochet 4. Into the next chain 1, half double crochet 5. And then into the next top of the star stitch, make half double crochet 6 and repeat this pattern till the end of the row. Don't skip any stitch. We will have total of 30 half double crochet stitches for this row, and then we are going to make our star stitch row again. So make chain 1 and turn your work, and then begin with half double crochet stitch in the start, and then first of all go into this first vertical loop from our half double crochet stitch and pull the yarn, then go into this second vertical loop and pull the yarn, then go into the base of our single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, go into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, and then go into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, and then pull through all 6 loops to make your first star stitch, and then make chain 1, then go into the next same chain 1 and pull the yarn into the next vertical loop and pull the yarn into the same single crochet stitch and pull the yarn into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, and then into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. Now pull through all 6 loops to make a star stitch, then make chain 1 and again repeat the same process. Pull the yarn through chain 1 and then pull the yarn through vertical loop, then pull the yarn through same single crochet stitch, and then through next 2 single crochet stitches we are pulling the yarn 5 times, and then pull the yarn through all 6 loops and then make chain 1. Repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. After completing this second star stitch row, now we are going to repeat our half double crochet stitch row. Again make chain 1, go into the very first chain and make half double crochet 1, then into the top of the star stitch half double crochet 2, then into the top of chain half double crochet 3, then again into the top of the star half double crochet 4, then into the top of chain half double crochet 5, then into the top of star half double crochet 6, and repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. Don't skip any stitch and complete 30 half double crochet stitches. After completing this, make chain 1 and turn your work again. Now again go into the same first half double crochet stitch, make a half double crochet stitch, and then go into this first vertical loop and pull the yarn, then go into the second vertical loop of our half double crochet stitch and pull the yarn, then go into the same single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, then go into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn, then go into the next single crochet stitch and pull the yarn. Pull through all 6 loops and then make chain 1. So this is how we are making our star stitches. It's super simple and easy. Then simply pull the yarn 5 times and pull through all 6 loops to make your star stitch, and then make a half double crochet row. So pull the yarn through chain 1, then through vertical loop, and then through 3 single crochet stitches, and then pull through all. So repeat this row and then make a half double crochet stitch row. Again you can repeat this star stitch and half double crochet row again and again till the desired size. So this is the pattern. You can make a beanie like this with this star stitch pattern, and you can make crochet bags, clutches, and you can also use them in blankets and sweaters. So if you like this pattern, must try this pattern. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.